Hey guys, what's up? It's Barsha. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited about today's video. So it's an unboxing video. This is my first time making an unboxing video, so I'm really excited. But before starting off the video, I really wanted to say a few things. Yeah, like till today I used to record in my phone, the phone I'm recording now, but then I thought I should upgrade it since I'm learning. So I thought I should get a camera, and it gets quite convenient to record in a camera. In my phone it's kind of difficult, it just gets very hectic and messy, so I thought I should upgrade it to a camera. But then I didn't want it a DSLR or any other camera as such. I really wanted a very small compact camera, but with good inbuilt stabilization and with microphone and so on. And I thought that I should upgrade it since I'm learning, and like I said, it gets very difficult to record in the phone. Sometimes when I'm out, indoors I still fine, but when I'm out it gets kind of difficult. So then I gave a thought, and then I researched about the camera, and then I just got it. So this is the box. Dun, dun, dun. So this is Sony camera ZV1. Now, so many people would tell me, why didn't I get a DSLR or other mirrorless camera? Let me tell you guys, the features I was looking at, all the features, I have it here. I didn't want it to, I didn't get mirrorless camera because again, changing lens, buying lens, it gets kind of hectic, and I am clumsy enough to break things easily. So if I carry so many things with me, camera, lens, blah blah, so I am pretty sure that I won't be able to take care of it. So I wanted a camera, a compact camera which would have everything in it. So this camera fits perfectly with whatever requirements I need in a camera. So I got this. Yeah, so before doing the unboxing, I also wanted to tell you that usually I love watching the haul videos or the January favorites, or the month favorites. Usually the vloggers, the female vloggers. So I'm planning to do that because I myself love watching those videos. So I thought maybe someday someone would want to watch such videos, me doing it. So yeah, I'll be doing that. Plus this camera has really good autofocus, so I thought this would be perfect. So before starting, do not forget to give a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And yeah, let's get started. This is it. So it's a very small camera. Oh, by the way, I'm no tech vlogger or YouTuber. I won't go to the details because I don't even know how to go to the details. इतना idea भी नहीं है, इसलिए I'll just give you the. Actually get this camera separately and this grip separately. This grip is really, it has a very difficult name. So it's called GP VPT 2BT. Okay, that's like a very long. And this is the camera. You can take this out. This is the wind. What is it called? This is the windscreen adapter. Yeah, this you can even flip the camera. See, that's me. One more reason to get this camera is this, that it actually captures good photos too. It has the autofocus, plus you can blur the background very easily. And for a female content creator like me, it has a soft skin feature too, where you can make your skin looks very soft. So yeah, I'm really excited to vlog with this. So I think I have talked enough. Now I gotta fix this one, so I'll show you the things that I got. And yeah, so let's get started with the haul video now. with this camera. Now I'm recording in my ZV1. Hopefully it's turning out great. The audio must be really great. You can see the bouquet behind me, I mean the blur, and it's autofocus. Check this out. It's quite good, right? Yeah. So yeah, without any further ado, let's start with the haul video. So this time I kind of shopped a lot this Jan, and yeah, I'm gonna probably start a series on this. Like every month I'll be uploading a video where I'll show you the haul videos of anything that I purchased that particular month. So this month I got the winter stuffs. Even though winter is ending, you'll find out in the next video where. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I got this power bank. Got it from Reliance Digital. I went to get it. I couldn't really find much of the options, but then when I saw this, it's from Reconnect and it has a picture of Thanos. There was this Hulk too, Iron Man too, but then I found it quite powerful, and then I got this. It came with an adapter. I'm already using it. It also shows the percentage here. Can you see? Yeah, it also shows the percentage here, like how much you have used it, and it's 20. Must-have item when I'm going somewhere. So I got their clothes. This came in a huge box. This is from Urbanic. Got this stand. This is from Urbanic. Yeah, so got this pant in a very cheap price. Jeans, I have worn this already. If you follow me on Instagram, you have seen the picture already. This was my first time shopping from Urbanic, and I'm really happy with the quality. But then it takes almost a month to get delivered. That is the only thing I don't like. But then if you can wait for a month and it's not an emergency, then you can surely order from me. Even this you have seen me wearing already. This one. It's a flare kind of jeans. So I got in a very cheap price. Okay, so both the jeans I got it just for 1600. Yeah, so it was quite cheap. Another pants. I haven't worn it yet, but I'm really excited to wear it. This is also from Urbanic. This cost me around 1390. I really like it, so yeah. And one thing I used to love about Shein is they come with this kind of packages where you can, just. So it's the same with Urbanic, so I'm quite happy with that. So the next item is this hoodie. Cute one in black. This was just for 500 something. Quality of this hoodie is not that great, but it would keep you warm. But what can you expect in such cheap price, a hoodie? So the next item is this puffer jacket. I can't wait to wear this. I love how it looks. Puffer jacket is trending this winter. It has been trending, so I got one for myself. I have another one in red, but that I bought it last December, so I'm not gonna show it here. But yeah, I love this. Can't wait to wear it. The actual price was 2890, but I got it for just 1600, like half the amount. And I'm like, because it's from Mango, it cost me 1200, not much. So here you can see. Yeah, so this actually I got it in the month of December, but at the ending, so I thought I'll just show you guys. Yeah, I love this beanie. It's my personal favorite, and I love wearing like the beanies in this winter because it just keeps you warm. This is from H&M and I got it for ₹499. I've already worn this. This is in pink. This is also from H&M. This is also $599. Yeah. Turtleneck sweater. And this I got it for, the MRP price is 1599, but I got it for 900. It was in discount, like the end of season sale in Myntra, so I got it for discount. This is from the company Must & Harbor. So yeah, it's from H&M as well, and basics, and these are trending again this winter, so I got one for 1299. I love the material, it's so good. And have worn this already. It's quite nice, so yeah. The last but not the least, this is a jacket or shacket, I don't know what is it called, but this one. I really love this. This gave me BTS Jungkook vibes in Dynamite, so I had to buy this as soon as I saw this. And this is from H&M as well. The MRP price is 2,299, but guess what, it was in 60% off, so I got it for 1,299. yeah. So I can't wait to wear this too. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my watching the video. This was my first time, you know, unboxing plus reviewing plus a haul video, and yeah, I'm really excited to vlog in this camera, you know, vlog around for my, you know, travel videos. Hopefully I can give you guys a quality content. So yeah, I'll see you all next week then. Bye, take care, love you.
I'm hoping you pick up the phone and ring me when you wanna stay overnight. My shoulders are right, my baby's all in the